Golf impresses with a sophisticated display and control concept. First, with its new infotainment systems. The top Discover Pro model has a generous set of standard features, but no mechanical switches. Its high-resolution display measures around 23 centimeters. Its images are razor-sharp. New in the Golf, the inductive charging tray by Volkswagen makes it convenient to charge suitably equipped smartphones, entirely without a cable. Discover Pro operation is especially innovative due to gesture control. Its proximity sensors detect a person's hand. You can scroll through your albums with the ease of a simple hand motion, without even touching the screen, and quickly find the right song. Or the next travel destination. With intelligent voice control. You might say an address, for instance, and the infotainment system does the rest. Another highlight in the Golf, the Active Info Display Digital Instrument Cluster. Its high-resolution display opens up new perspectives, since it offers the ideal view for everything. Take the navigation map, for instance. A new feature is predictive navigation. It is like a silent co-pilot on your main routes. In case of traffic delays, the system automatically recommends alternative routes. Display and operating convenience in the new Golf. Innovative, intuitive, inductive.